What's up, everybody? Still alive here at the Thread booth at IT Nation Connect. I'm with Bobby, head of growth. Bobby, thanks so much for being here, man. What is Thread? How does it help MSPs? How does it help them make money?
Yeah, thanks, Justin. At Thread, we hate tickets. We say death to the ticket. We think they're a terrible way to treat people. That's why you can see at our booth, there's a bunch of dead technicians back here who died waiting on the phone. And so we're an AI service desk. So we automate all that boring stuff on the ticket that your team doesn't want to do, like writing time entries, prioritizing tickets, categorizing tickets, the title. Think about an end user saying, I need help. An AI can talk to that user and figure out the context and then give your team a fully triaged ticket that they can work, or it can solve the problem and close the ticket. So when we talk about like, what does that mean for an MSP? How does that help my service desk? It makes life awesome for the technician. Like, they get to do what they want.
That's awesome. I can see how this would be like a great step in, people that, especially the 1 or 2 person shops who need that extra help as well, having AI do the prelim work, answer those like, yes, I've reset your password for you kind of thing, and letting those technicians really get in with what they love to do, which is helping customers with harder problems.
Yeah. Also, think about a really big MSP that has 10 dispatchers and service coordinators. Those people don't like their jobs. Like, no one wants to be dispatching anything. So our partners have promoted tons of dispatchers. So maybe you have 10 dispatchers and you go down to 2 because that work is being automated.
That's awesome. Bobby, thanks so much for being here, man. Appreciate it. Coming up more from IT Nation.